Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about Notion, the project management website, and different price plans that this website offers. So there are a few different pricing plans that this website offers. As you can see here, we have the free option, the plus option, the business option, and the enterprise option. So first of all, we're going to talk about the free option. So free option, as you can see here, says unlimited blocks for individuals and limited block trial for teams. So I would say that this option is probably most useful for a individual or for a very small group. So someone that's basically just starting out their business. As you can see here, they offer collaborative workspace, so lets members easily share pages to the whole team in a shared hierarchy with granular permissions. It's also integrated with different websites, so Slack, GitHub, and other pages. It gives you basic analytics, 7-day page history, and you can invite 10 guests. So you can only invite 10 guests, which is limiting. So if you have a bigger company, you cannot use that. As well as with the limited block trial, it definitely limits the amount of work you can do by using this plan. We then go on to the plus plan. So see here, it says a place for small groups to plan and get organized. So this is an $8 per user per month plan. Billed annually it's $8, billed monthly it's $10. And this pricing plan offers everything that the free plan offers. And also, as you can see here, you have unlimited blocks for teams, unlimited file uploads, 30-day page history, and you can invite 100 guests. So it's basically an expansion pack of the free plan. So it offers everything that the free plan offers, but without any limitations. So if you have a small business, something that it's not too large, but you do need more than the free plan offers, this is the plan for you. As for the business pricing plan, it says here it's $15 per user per month, or $18 if you make it monthly. You can also request a free trial. You have everything in the plus plan. Plus you have the SAML SSO. So this is basically a security measure. So you see here, you can manage employee access at scale with secure single sign-on. You also have private team spaces. So what this basically offers to you is you can create team spaces that can only be seen by the people you give the authority to see. So if you have something that maybe you don't want everyone in your team to see, or you have people from the outside that you want to show something very specific in your business but not everything, you can use this. And you also have bulk PDF exports, so you can export all of your content at once as PDF. You have advanced page analytics, so definitely more than the basic part. So it gives you everything that you need. You have a 90-day page history, so you can restore your pages to a previous version that dates up to 90 days, and you can invite up to 250 guests. So it gives you a lot more freedom in that regard. And then of course you have the enterprise version, which you need to contact the Notion part to see the price itself, because this is basically for large corporations. So as you can see here, it offers a lot more than the other plans. So this is for a very big enterprises, very big corporations to use. So as you can see, these plans are very well established. They are very well organized, and I would say that they definitely offer you exactly what you need regarding the size of your company. So if you are a one person or a very small group, you can use the free plan. It can definitely help you. You can learn to use the Notion website, and then as your business grows, you can upgrade your plans based on what you need. So yeah, I would say that this is a very fair pricing plan, and it definitely offers you a lot. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.